Hello and welcome to another video tutorial for users of Microsoft Excel. In this tutorial and probably the next one we'll be looking at working with dates and times, how to enter them, format them and how to calculate with dates. So we're going to start by changing some dates on this particular spreadsheet. As you'll see, we have a list of dates here for these movies, and you'll notice that all the dates are 2010, and what I'd like to do here is very simply change them to 2011 dates. So I'm going to select all those and hit the delete key, get rid of those. Okay, so the first film I'm going to have, let's say on the 1st of May. So I'm going to simply type 1/5 and press enter. And Excel, as you can see, is put automatically in 01 where I type 1, it's put 05 where I type 5, and it's also put the year in, which I didn't type at all. So when you type in the date, all you need to do is type in the day and the month, and Excel will automatically put in the year, providing obviously the day you had in mind, or the date you had in mind was this year. If it's a previous year or a future year, then you need to type in the year. Obviously, for example, if I type 1/5/ and I want it to be a 2012 date, I would have to type in 1/2/12, and Excel will format that in its standard format. Now you'll notice as well, because I'm in the UK, I'm getting day, month, year. If you're in the US or somewhere else where you have a different date format, you simply enter the date as you would normally enter it. For example, in the US you would enter month, day, year, and Excel will format it appropriately. So I'm going to delete that 2012 date because I don't really want that. Press delete, and instead I will type in let's say the 10th of May, and then we'll put some more in, 23rd of May. Now I'm using the / key, so I type in 23 / etc. You can also use the dash key, so if I type in the date for the next one, which might be the 1st of June, I could type in 1-6 and press enter, and that formats exactly the same way as the others. I just entered it a different way. The way Excel formats dates depends on how it's been set up in the format settings, which I'm going to come to in a second. I'm going to put my last date in for now, which will be the 10th of June. I'm going to type in 10. I'll use the dash again. -6. Press enter. Okay. So formatting then. Let's go back and format the first date. Well, actually, tell you what I'll do. I'll expand column A. And hopefully by now you know how to expand the column. Just put the mouse pointer between A and B in this case and click and drag. So we get a much wider column A.